ask you a question. Are you folks ready for a sweet Dreamweaver back here? I got you, dog. This can all be yours for a very low price of I don't know yet, because I don't care. Yes, it's two-wheel drive. There's a lot of stuff that don't work on it. That's broken. Oh my God, that freaking works, dude. Whoa, maybe. Woo! Think about all the babies you could make in there. If I was keeping this sweet Dreamweaver, I'd probably call it Clay's Boom Boom Room. As you pile your mess of kids inside the back of this thing, unobstructed by seat belts. Hold on. Try to contain yourself before I open this. Bam! Look at that. This can all be yours. Leaves, flat spare tire, halfway put on. Seat covers. Well, at least the door's open. Check out that incognito sweet ammo duct tape. Hey, that window rolls down. Whoa! I think this thing's Bluetooth. Got one of them sweet auxiliary plugs. Dude, this thinking thing has an American flag keychain. More sweet camo duct tape. I'm gonna warn you right now, I know exactly what I got right here, so don't be trying to lowball me on this sweet Dreamweaver either. This is a 23-year-old, 160,000 mile, 4.3 Dreamweaver. Put that on your radio. I'm also gonna throw in the somewhat flat, bald tires. It's a positive. Got a little exhaust noise, so we're gonna check that out, see what's going on there. Obviously, the engine runs pretty smooth. Oh! That heat shield's free. Hey, there might be a catalytic converter in this that somebody did not steal. Yep, one of them's right there. Would you just look at that? Just look at that right there. I already fixed the exhaust for you. I want to show you just how quiet this thing can be. It's like a mouse. Wait a second. I almost missed this overhead console where you can keep sunglasses and stuff. Let's see if the air conditioner works in this thing. What are the odds? Oh, that sounds wonderful. Oh, gosh. It smells like what I would think Lizzo's belly button or Cardi B's ass crack smells like. Ugh. Don't worry nothing about that blower motor. That's the way they're supposed to sound. Oh, look at that. The oil pressure thing is just like. Cut it off. It just stays right there, so I'm pretty sure the gas gauge and that gauge do not work. If the gauges were good, it would sweep when you turn on the key. It does only have 160,000 miles on it, though. The oh shit bar is gone, though. It's certain, but I don't think the air conditioner works. Well, there ain't nothing really leaking out of it, so I guess that's a good sign. Okay, putting my life at risk driving this thing, but I have a sneaking suspicion that it needs a new drive shaft, but I'm still gonna drive it anyway, because yeah, it is what it is. Could be a brake hanging up too. Whatever that is in the back sounds like this thing's on crack. Yeah, I don't know what the hell that noise is. Maybe the tire's loose or something. No, I don't think it's a tire. Well, it stops. It actually stops pretty good, to be honest with you. It's a little sketch to drive, though. Whoa. Whoa. Yeah, there's something going on with the rear end of this thing. It just like totally like fishtailed on dry pavement. I don't know, but I can't drive it far. Just shut it off. I had to jump it with 2 jump boxes. We'll see if it'll start back up or how squadoosh the battery is when I get, if I can get the freaking key to turn. Oh, had to flip it upside down. Starts up and runs pretty good. Does seem to run okay. I was wondering if I'd see whatever it is. Could just be flat tires making it do that. It did feel like it needed a U-joint. Doesn't look like the shackles are busted or anything. Just doesn't look right to me. It probably is the way it's supposed to be, I guess. Yeah, I don't know. I don't think that arch is correct on there. I mean, I'm not sure. That other side, you can see it below there. Yeah, if I was a guessing man, these rear springs are bent. Oh well, they probably had Lizzo and Cardi B in the back of this thing, and that's what happens. Yeah, and it might need a muffler. I'll bet if a guy really wanted to, he could probably put some duct tapes on there. Since this bumper's like bent down, and that's riding down there, that somebody like put something really massively heavy in the back of this thing, like a couple of your old ladies or something. I really don't know, but it's pretty solid, so that's a good sign. Muffler, door handle, blower motor, battery, tires. Well, that tire's pretty good. The hell? Yeah, that thing, that's brand new. Wait a second, this one's pretty damn good too. This one blows, and this one kind of blows. I think it might need a U-joint. You know, with some junkyard parts from the picky part, this probably won't be bad. This probably wouldn't be a bad van if you put a couple hours into it on a Saturday and Sunday. This is a 4.3, because it's started up 2 times now. I think this is the greatest thing about this van. That glass stays up. Yes, most of the newspapers are included, so calm down. They come with the van. If, you know, I'm gonna take like 4 or 5 bundles out to use for packing later on, but the rest of it is all yours. In all seriousness, I could care less about this van. I don't care if it sits out here with the other 15 vehicles that I got, or I scrap it, or whatever. But if you want a van that you can put a couple hours worth of work into, a couple $100, get you from point A to point B, basically a beater with a heater. Well, and that don't even work all that well. But if you want a van, stabbing cabin, yoder toter, whatever you're looking for, this might be the van for you. Remember, no matter what it is in life you think you can or cannot do, if anyone else can do it, you can do it too. God bless, folks. Have a great day.